So today we're going to discuss as to how to prepare for current affairs in CLAT. Okay, so this is one of the most haunting questions for most of the CLAT aspirants, and we are still not sure under the new pattern as to how to actually prepare for current affairs. So there are a lot of questions like how to prepare, from where to prepare, basically what should be the sources, कहाँ से कहाँ तक prepare करें is one more question that naturally comes to our mind when we prepare current affairs, right? I'll also tell you at the end of this lecture or during this lecture as to what is the importance of reading editorials or newspaper editorials for current affairs. So let's move question by question and then we'll understand as to how current affairs are actually prepared. Okay, so the first thing is as to how do we prepare for it. So under the new pattern, the CLAD consortium wants us to think like a lawyer, which means that they want us to understand the current affairs with the background of that current affair. ठीक है, तो they want us कि हमें पूरी story पता हो उसकी. So I'll give you a very simple example. For example, there is Ram Mandir Ayodhya issue. So you just can't do 2019 or 2020 a current affair wherein the Supreme Court settled the issue in 2019 and then there were certain improvements in 2020. A trust was created and then recently our Prime Minister inaugurated the temple. That is not enough. You'll have to do with the help of background. ये पहले नहीं हुआ करता था. What used to happen before was there used to be 50 independent questions and used to be asked certain factual questions. It could be static, current. These are the kind of questions that were asked before CLAT 2020. Now the problem is that since you are asked so many questions, अगर आप एक भी topic छोड़ दो by chance और वो exam में आ जाए, then there is a possibility that you might lose 4-5 marks directly. But the good part is, with respect to the new pattern, that you will not be asked each and every question और कोई भी random question नहीं पूछा जाएगा. And why am I saying this is because obviously nobody can ask you a question on say a random memorandum of understanding that is signed by India with a particular country. और questions like these जिससे 4-5 exam वर्दी question बन ही नहीं सकते. So that basically narrows down the scope. तो जब भी आप कोई करंट अफेयर पढ़ो, मेक श्योर कि आप समझो उसको कि कैन 4 और 5 एग्जाम वर्दी क्वेश्चंस बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस. क्या एक पैसेज प्रॉपर्ली बन सकता है इस क्वेश्चन से? देन स्टडी इट प्रॉपर्ली अगर बन सकता है तो, एंड नॉट जस्ट confine your scope to current affairs, do it properly with the entire background story. So you must have watched my videos on current affairs. I've uploaded a lot of videos on current affairs. I have uploaded all the videos covering the background story along with the current affair. That is how you guys have to make notes of it. Okay. Now, how do you make notes is another very important concern that a lot of you might not know because it's very, very important to study current affairs properly. So I would suggest you guys to take notes on a digital medium, basically on your laptops, your desktops, or your mobile phones. But most of us are comfortable with notebooks, so that is also fine. How do you take notes is, for example, I am taking notes for Ram Mandir Ayodhya issue. I read an article somewhere about this issue. The thing is, when you stop taking notes, don't start the second topic right after that. Okay, leave a page or two because you will be editing a lot. So there will be a lot of improvement that will happen even after you have noted that down. है ना, कुछ भी हो सकता है राम मंदिर इशू में या फिर और भी किसी भी इशू में बिफोर यू टू टेक द एग्जाम. तो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू गाइज टू मेक श्योर कि सब कुछ लाइन में रहे, है ना, ताकि व्हेन यू रिवाइज इट और व्हेन यू रीड इट अगेन इट्स इन अ फ्लो और आपको बहुत इजीली समझ में आ जाए एंड यू आर एबल टू आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, राइट. Other than that, a very important thing is कि कहाँ से कहाँ तक पढ़ें. That is also a very important concern of a lot of CLAT aspirants. So general advice here is that you should study from the previous year's CLAT to this year's CLAT. Okay, ये हर बार रहता है, not particularly for CLAT 2020, for any CLAT for that matter. But do not leave CLAT की एक दिन पहले हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे, उस क्वेश्चन पेपर बन गया होगा. डोंट आस्क योरसेल्फ दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. डू इट टिल द लास्ट डे बिकॉज करंट अफेयर्स कहीं से भी बन के आ सकते हैं एंड दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज द गुड पार्ट अबाउट करंट अफेयर सेक्शन इज कि अगर आपको आता है, इट टेक्स लीस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम एंड कैन गिव यू मैक्सिमम मार्क्स इन CLAT. बहुत कम टाइम लगता है, बहुत मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं, विच इज अ गुड पार्ट अबाउट इट. ओके, इसके अलावा कहां से पढ़े इज अनदर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट शुड बी आवर सोर्सेज फॉर करंट अफेयर्स. So current affairs के लिए there are certain online sources and the most popular ones for CLAT is GK Today and Jagran Josh. ठीक है, most of the students study from here and if you've enrolled in the coaching you can also look the coaching वाला जो material होता है. Other than that, you can also subscribe to monthly magazines like Pratyogita Darpan, Competition Success Review if you want to extensively study it. Other than that, I have been uploading a lot of videos on some very important current affairs and that is how you guys have to make notes. Now, a very important thing to note here is, and make sure that you guys understand this very clearly, that editorials are very important for current affairs. And editorials हमने सुना है are important for English language, हमारी vocabulary के लिए, for critical reasoning and so on. But current affairs के लिए वो इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है because you must have seen NLAT का question paper. Okay, and a lot of mock tests that you might have given. NLAT का question paper कितना भी controversial हो, but the question quality was really good. Okay, so question में all the passages were given directly from the editorials of newspapers. आपने नोटिस किया होगा द हिंदू, द इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स और ये जो अच्छे न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं, मेक श्योर दैट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस you read these editorials. Okay, so a lot of you might be thinking yeah, but it's very late to read editorials and how do we do it? So obviously now you cannot read editorials, so you can actually look at some important topics month wise. Okay, so you can start from last year's CLAT and you can see कि month wise कौन से important topics हैं जो आ सकते हैं, month wise note them down and then prepare them. Also, at the end of this lecture, I have actually annexed some very important topics for CLAT 2020 and 2021. You can go have a look, but no topic can be exhaustive. Obviously, no topic list can be exhaustive because आपको कोई भी नहीं बता सकता कि exactly ये आएगा, इसके बाहर कुछ नहीं आएगा. So how do you know that and how do you figure that out is something that you guys have to understand here. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि 3 या 4 या 5 क्वेश्चन अगर एग्जाम वर्दी बन सकते हैं, सिर्फ वही टॉपिक्स पढ़ने हैं हमको. This could be major constitutional amendments, an act that has been passed by the government, or a important Supreme Court judgment. It could be something related to economics because COVID के time में economics काफी ज़्यादा issues आए हैं. It could be certain government schemes. Okay, so these are certain things that are very important for CLAT और ये definitely पूछी जाती ही है हर competitive exam में, and CLAT is no exception, right? So I think you guys understood as to how to prepare current affairs for CLAT. And if you have any doubts, you can always mention in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to answer all the queries. You can also mail it to me. I'll try and reply to all the emails as well. So if you like our sessions, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us. Keep liking us, keep smiling. Thank you.